Well, I guess I gotta go to work. Which reminds me of a song, and it goes like this. Oh, when the sun comes up, I go to work and I think of you. And when it hits 5 o'clock, I go on down to see my favorite crew at Awful Arthur's, right down the street. Yeah, I'll be drinking beer with my friends. That's where I'll be at Awful Arthur's. They got fresh local seafood at Awful Arthur's. Man, I'm in such a good mood at Awful Arthur's. They're a cut up above at Awful Arthur's. I think I'm falling in love with Awful Arthur's. Arthur's. That's all I got so far, Heidi, so I think I can get another verse knocked out here by Monday.